Welcome back to Super Coder Kid, where we make coding fun and easy for kids. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about the switch costume to block in Scratch. This block is perfect for creating animations or making your characters change their appearance. So, let's jump right in and see how we can use it in our Scratch projects. First, let's talk about what the switch costume to block does. It allows you to change your sprite's appearance instantly by switching between different costumes. Costumes are just different images that your sprite can wear, like different outfits or poses. Let's start by choosing a sprite. I'm going to use the Scratch Cat for this demo. Now, to see the costumes, click on the Costumes tab at the top of your screen. You'll notice the Scratch Cat has multiple costumes already, each showing the cat in a different position. You can add your own costumes or use the ones already here. Let's use the Switch costume to block to change the sprite's appearance during the game. Let's go to the Purple Looks category in the Blocks palette. And here we can find the Switch costume to block. Drag it into the coding area. This block will switch the costume of the sprite to whatever costume you choose from the dropdown. Let's make the sprite switch to a different costume when we click the green flag. Now, add the When Green Flag Click block from the Events category and connect it to the Switch costume to block. In the drop-down menu of the block, choose a different costume. Let's pick Costume 2 for the cat. When we click the green flag, the sprite will switch to the second costume. Let's test it out. And that's how you use the Switch costume to block in Scratch. It's a super useful block for changing your sprite's appearance, making animations, and adding more creativity to your projects. Try it out and see what cool things you can create with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome coding tutorials with Super Coder Kid. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.